So this application basically we have developed to do the QC of the surveyed point using the Google Map API. So to run this tool, let's suppose if we have the shape file. So like I have converted this shape file to the CSV format, and after that CSV will be the input for this application. So let's suppose if I select this CSV. So when I select the CSV, after that you will get what are the points we have in this CSV file. So this is the ID, POI name, POI type, latitude, longitude, and this option here we have. If you want to see this particular point on the map, so you can click on this point and it will show that particular point on the map. And what are the total number of points we have? So here you can see we have total 66 point. And after that, simply you need to click on the process QC tool. So once you click on the process QC tool, so the process will start. And basically, as you know, this Google Map API has the pricing and quota constraint. So here you can see this right now we have taken only 10 points. So it is showing you okay, this is the POI name, and after that we have what is the POI type, latitude, latitude source, longitude source, and latitude Google and longitude Google. So against to this particular point of the source data, what the best match we have found in the Google. So here basically it is showing you the distance also. It means this point, let's suppose State Bank of India, this one. This is the source point and this is the target point, or this is the Google point. And what is the deviation? Deviation is of around 6 meters. So somewhere here you can get the deviation like 5 meter, 10 meter, 20 meter. And somewhere here you will get the deviation is very, very high. So maybe either that point is not there, or we got in the case of we are getting the multiple points, so we have taken the nearest point. So let's suppose this is the point. For example, if I take Royal Junior College, so the Royal Junior College, this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, and total deviation is 10 meters. So if I click on display on map, then it will show you both the point on the Google Map. So here you can see the red color point is basically the source point, and the blue color what we have found against to this particular point on the Google. This is the Royal Junior College. So here you can see this is the Royal Junior College exit point we are getting. So in the same way, like we have other points as well. So here I have just taken one column update. So by default, these all are what? By default, these all are checked. So if let's suppose if you don't want to update some of the point, so you can uncheck that point from here. So whatever the point will be checked, all these point geometry will be update, means this geometry will going to update in the source geometry. So after that you will get the new shape file. That shape file is basically with the new Google point. So definitely this tool is very, very useful for us, especially for the QC. And here, if I just want to show you one more example. Let's suppose this one, State Bank of Hyderabad. Somewhere here we will get the deviation is very high, because the reason is the name what we have taken is State Bank of Hyderabad, and the category is what? Category is the bank. And now if I see what is the why this deviation is there. So here you can see this is what? This is the actual the State Bank of India point. What we found the blue color, this is the State Bank of India point. And what the point we have surveyed, that is basically what? State Bank of India ATM. So this kind of challenge also we can face here. Ki if the name is not specifically this kind of problem we are facing with the bank, because like this one, ICICI Bank. So in the ICICI Bank here, you can see the deviation is 213 meter, 200 meter approximately. So if I go and check what is the situation, so here, this is the situation. So here, if I will see here, you can get the ICICI Bank ATM. And the point what we have surveyed here, try to check something. So here, we don't have any point for this. So this kind of thing also, this is because of this reason, actually this tool is very, very good. At least QC and all these thing will be perfect, and you will get the point from the Google. So obviously the result will be perfect. And now after that, once you click on the update POI geometry, so as I told you, this geometry, the Google geometry will update on all these point in the shape file. So this is all about this particular tool. I will provide you the sample data also. So you can run the sample data, or if you have your own data, so you can prepare the data based on the sample file